Well, friends, it's all about Malabar Rebellion, otherwise somehow known as Mappila Revolt. This great episode in the history of India has been interpreted in different ways by different historic schools, in fact. A group of historians consider this as one of the finest examples for colonial struggle that took place in the different regions of India. At the same time, a few historians consider it is simply an outbreak of the resentment of a few oppressed Mappilas in the Malabar region. The truth is situating somehow in between. These days, as you know, Prithviraj starring Variyankunnathu Kunjahamad Haji has brought so much of controversies in different realms. What is exactly the fact? In fact, history is not exactly a matter of fact. It is always moving along with the interpretations. Still, there are some things to be considered when we discuss or when we deal regarding the role of this great legendary persona, Variyankunnathu Kunjahamad Haji, in many ways. As you know, in 1792, after Malabar became the part of British Empire, exactly after the death of Tipu Sultan, Mappilas had suffered a lot under the brutal oppression of Hindu Janmis. Out there is no need to point or to press or to paste any sort of religion. It was in fact a sort of struggle between haves and have not that you can see in different parts of history, in different regions of the world. And the matter is, the oppressed Mappilas, they had the resentment. In fact, the rebellion had begun very early, since 1830. And as you know, from 1836 onwards, a series of rebellions had been going on in the realm of Malabar. And there was no communal color, in fact. After 1921, when we were forced to turn back, historians began to provide some colors and it became a matter of controversy. In 1920, you know very well, after Jallianwala Bagh, when Indian National Congress had provided a strong agenda to begin non-cooperation movement, Mahatma Gandhi did find a golden opportunity to unite the Hindu Muslims by putting forward the Khilafat agenda. You know, after 1921, when the Turks had a very insulting experience from the winners of First World War, the Muslims throughout the world, as they were considering Khalifa as a religious head, it became a great chance for Gandhi to unite these two spirits of India. From there, in Malabar region, especially Ponnani, Tirur, Perindalmanna regions, people had a different tone of living. They were working hard under the oppressing landlords and they were waiting for a chance to retaliate in many ways. Variyankunnathu Kunjahamad Haji, a legendary figure who had immense courage to set up a parallel government against this British colonial government, and almost 5,800 square kilometers become the territory of this great persona. It was not a simple thing, in fact. And what we discuss out here is whether the rebellion is a classic example for national struggle or not. Definitely, the spearhead of this rebellion moved against British Empire, there is no doubt at all. At the same time, in the grassroots level, Mappilas, the poor, oppressed tenants, those who were living under the oppression of landlords, they did move against their own janmis or landlords. That's true. That's a fact too. And ultimately, as in everywhere, the dispute is always between haves and have-nots. That same thing happened out here too. Anyway, it is better to move through some of the chronicles to find out what exactly happened in Malabar in 1921. Thank you.